How to see your entire token usage in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can find how many tokens have you used in total in your Claude Code CLI. So to do this, all you will need to do is simply launch your Claude Code in your Windows PowerShell. And then once your Claude Code has been successfully launched, go to the new shell line and type in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then type in stats. Once you have typed in, hit the enter button and it will show you your Claude Code usage statistics and activity as well. So hit the enter button and from here you can see this line which says total tokens used. As you can see, I have total tokens used is 54,000. So I have total tokens of 54,000 that I have used. So this is an all-time stat. If you want the stats for last 7 days, you can do the same as well by simply going to this particular option, that is the last 7 days. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.